Siapa namamu? What's your name? What's your name? Berapa umurmu? How old are you? How old are you? Dari mana asalmu? Where are you from? Where are you from? Di mana kamu tinggal? Where do you live? Where do you live? Apa pekerjaanmu? What do you do? What do you do? Apakah kamu sudah menikah? Are you married? Are you married? Apakah kamu punya saudara kandung? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Apa hobimu? What's your hobby? What's your hobby? Apa makanan favoritmu? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Apa warna favoritmu? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Jam berapa kamu bangun? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan di pagi hari? What do you usually do in the morning? What do you usually do in the morning? Bagaimana cara kamu pergi ke kantor? How do you get to work? How do you get to work? Jam berapa kamu tidur? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? Apa yang kamu lakukan saat akhir pekan? What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? Apakah kamu suka menonton film? Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies? Apakah kamu berolahraga? Do you exercise? Do you exercise? Seberapa sering kamu berbelanja? How often do you go shopping? How often do you go shopping? Jam berapa biasanya kamu makan siang? What time do you usually have lunch? What time do you usually have lunch? Apakah kamu memasak di rumah? Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home? Apa film favoritmu? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Apakah kamu lebih suka kopi atau teh? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Apa buku favoritmu? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? Apakah kamu suka bepergian? Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Apa pekerjaan impianmu? What's your dream job? What's your dream job? Apakah kamu lebih suka kucing atau anjing? Do you prefer cats or dogs? Do you prefer cats or dogs? Apa musim favoritmu? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? Musik seperti apa yang kamu suka? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Apakah kamu lebih suka pantai atau gunung? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? Apa pendapatmu tentang musik rock? What's your opinion about rock music? What's your opinion about rock music? Bisakah kamu membantu saya? Can you help me? Can you help me? Di mana halte bus terdekat? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? Bagaimana cara saya ke bandara? How can I get to the airport? How can I get to the airport? Jam berapa toko tutup? What time does the store close? What time does the store close? Apakah kamu tahu di mana rumah sakit? Do you know where the hospital is? Do you know where the hospital is? Bisakah kamu merekomendasikan restoran yang bagus? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Berapa harganya? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Di mana saya bisa menemukan taksi? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Bisakah saya membayar dengan kartu kredit? Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card? Bagaimana cara mengatakan ini dalam bahasa Inggris? How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? Apa arti kata ini? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Bisakah kamu mengeja itu? Can you spell that? Can you spell that? Bagaimana cara mengucapkan kata ini? How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? Apa perbedaan antara A dan B? What's the difference between A and B? What's the difference between A and B? Bisakah kamu mengulanginya? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Apakah kamu tahu cara melakukan ini? Do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this? Apa pendapatmu tentang belajar bahasa Inggris? What do you think about learning English? What do you think about learning English? Sudah berapa lama kamu belajar bahasa Inggris? How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? Apa yang memotivasimu untuk belajar? What motivates you to learn? What motivates you to learn?